Hop into the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado HD. The all-new Silverado builds on its heritage with an improved bed design, increased cargo capacity, customizable technology, refined comfort and safety features, and even bolder strength. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, lane departure warning, keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, bed liner, premium sound system, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, Wi-Fi hotspot. See how refined and comfortable a bold, muscular work machine can be. Drive the all-new Silverado.